Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Temu application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to your home page, and at the top of the screen you can use the search bar to type in the name of the product that you are looking for. You can also use the visual search feature by clicking on the camera icon at the top. Then you should direct your phone to the product that you would like to scan, and you will be able to search for products according to the picture that you have scanned. As you go back, you will be able to check out the categories that you can browse within. Here you have recommendations. You have the chance to follow the stores by clicking on a product. Tap on the store, the name of the store here by clicking on the follow button. You can follow the store. As you click on the use section down below, you will be able to check out your messages, also your orders, the status of your orders, processing, shipped, delivered, and returns. They all have their own categories. Then you will be able to check out your reviews, your coupon codes and offers, your wish list, credit balance, and other options here. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.